Hello again, PH Digital here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to test the gadget inside. The reason I say test, if you're new to my channel, that's what I do. I like to buy gadgets, use them for a couple months or a year, sometimes 2 years, sometimes just a few weeks, and then I sell them or return them or I keep them. And lately I've been selling them mostly and some return because sometimes I find too many bugs, and if you find too many bugs in a device that you've spent hundreds of dollars for, yes, ship it back. So inside here we have a mobile device. Don't want to ruin the surprise. It's not from TicWatch, and it's not from Garmin, and it's not an Oura Ring. And it's not from Samsung. Let's find out what it is. Here we go. And there you have it. There's the unboxing. Looks like I'm gonna have to install this on my phone, so we'll do that. But inside the box, pretty basic. The packaging was nice. I do like the box. I don't know why they sent me all the different instruction manuals. To me, that seems like a waste of paper. I say just put them in English and maybe 3 other languages and that's it, but you know, it's a nice touch. And then there's this huge big thing which I am not gonna read. So I'm gonna go online, I'm gonna charge this, and then I'll set it up and we'll film that and we'll go from there. Yeah, that's what we'll do. But this is the Polar Grit X outdoor multi-sport watch. Wow. Okay, well, the haptic feedback vibration motor is functional. So it just buzzed at me. There's the heart rate sensor and a whole bunch of other stuff. And this is primarily why I chose Polar for the heart rate information. But overall, the build quality, I'm impressed. And the band is nice. It's silicone, but it kind of has a canvas texture, if you can see that on the camera. So that's nice. The screen, well, we can take that off. Pretty visible. I believe this does not have a touchscreen. Oh wait, no it does. Sweet, so it's touchscreen and buttons. Very nice. Then it says the name on it right there, Grit X. So it is a hefty looking watch. If we can compare it to the Samsung Galaxy 2, it's at least another 5 millimeters thick. As far as how big it is, well, it is bigger. So this is a 44 millimeter. This looks to be more like 45. I'll check the exact stats and throw them on the screen for you. But yeah, it's looking like a hefty smartwatch for sure, similar to the TicWatch Pro, my right hand, and here on my left is the Polar Grit X. This is the first Polar watch that I've purchased in quite a while, so I'm curious. But overall, I like it. I like these buttons protrude. They stick out a bit much for my liking. Samsung has them, you know, just right on there, and these are right on there. They're textured, which is nice. And yeah, I like the silver and the green look. These are your standard quick release bands, so that's a nice touch. First impressions are good. Let me set this up and we'll check out some more stuff. There we go. So it's a long press on the back button. Saving, it should give us a workout summary. And there we go. Heart rate, nice. Average, max, 123. I was just walking. Really good zone information. Energy used, 32 calories. So it looks like I need to eat some carbs. 68% fat, well that's interesting. And my pace. Really good workout stats. I'm liking that very much. Cadence, and finally altitude. It was pretty flat on my walk. So I'll have to take this watch hiking. Then if I click the back button, it should take me back to the home screen. And now I can cycle through and not enough data to show status. Okay. So I have 33% of my activity goal done. There's the date, weather, strength. Unlock your strength. 2 more nights needed. All right. Well, that's all for now. My first impressions. I like it. I like the design. It's not too heavy. I was kind of worried about that, but no, not too heavy at all. And there you have it. There's my initial review of this Polar Grit X smartwatch. I like it. I'm gonna enjoy testing this. I've been testing a lot of other watches, but I haven't tested Polar in quite some time. So I'm excited to learn about their ecosystem, if you will. And yeah, any questions or comments, type those below. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in 2 to 3 days. Goodbye.